Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on eBay UK. First, you'll need to set up your eBay account. This involves creating a profile, verifying your contact information, and choosing a memorable username. It's also crucial to link your preferred payment method, like PayPal or a bank account, so you can receive payments smoothly. Before you list anything, take a moment to familiarize yourself with eBay's selling fees and policies to avoid any surprises. Once your account is ready, it's time to create your first listing. High-quality photos are essential. Aim for at least 3 clear images from different angles. Your item description should be detailed and honest, highlighting key features and any imperfections. Selecting the correct category helps buyers find your item easily. Finally, decide on your pricing strategy, whether it's a fixed price or an auction starting at a low bid. After your item sells, secure packaging is paramount to ensure it arrives safely. Choose a reputable shipping service that offers tracking, giving both you and the buyer peace of mind. Clearly communicate shipping updates and estimated delivery times to your buyer. Excellent customer service, including prompt responses to questions, builds trust and encourages positive feedback, which is vital for your seller reputation. The final steps involve confirming payment before dispatching your item. Once the transaction is complete, remember to leave positive feedback for your buyer. It's a great way to build a good community. Encourage your buyers to do the same for you, as positive feedback significantly boosts your seller rating. Should any issues arise, like a return request, address them professionally and fairly to maintain a good standing on eBay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.